Social blocks on Squarespace is a great way to showcase your social media presence on your website. And in this video right here, I'll be showing you everything you need to know about the Squarespace social block. So over at Squarespace, the Squarespace social block is this block right here called social links. And when you add that in, you will see that it already has some social media. And when I double click it, I get this link right here. And first of all, what you then could do is simply add in all of your social media. Basically, everything here is supported from X, or formerly Twitter. I think if you change this to x.com, it will also the new X logo as well if you want to have your X on there. Also, it's basically supported by anything. So let's say, for example, I want to add behance.com. Let's see what that is added. And also, let's say maybe pinterest.com. Start content with type, pinterest.com. And you will see that a lot of these social media are added. So please just remember to be adding your URL though. It will be automatically added as the Squarespace ones. And I see a lot of websites that have their social links and they all link back to Squarespace. So please remember to actually put your social link in there as well. So first of all, as I said, you have the possibility to add social links. From there, you can also do some customization on it. So you have the possibility to change the border. When I click that, we'll see that becomes filled with the knockout. Then you can do an outline. You can even do solid if that's something you want. The same options you also have for the different border sizes, whether or not the borders are round or if there are a look like this, for example. You can always have it as knockout, outline, and solid. So I'm just going to have it at knockout. I like that look. Then you have the possibility to align it. So basically within inside the block, you can see it right here. And then finally, you have different sizing, which you can choose between. Not you want it to be extra small or extra large. I'm just going to have them as extra large here in this video. If you don't want to change the coloring from it, basically it's very simple. You click into site styles, you click on coloring, you choose the color theme that you're on. So in my instance, bright 2. And then what I usually just like to do is do social links block. And you can see here that you have the different colorings here. So maybe let's just change this main color to maybe like a gray, and maybe also let's be gray. Let's go crazy. You can see here that it automatically doesn't come, but I'm just going to refresh here. You can see here right now that it has the gray background that we just assigned it. You'll also see here though that you have the possibility to have social links in the header as well. And that is also very widely used and very popular. And you can also actually change these a little bit around if you want to do that. So simply just double click on the one that's on the header and you have the same possibility to basically assign it with the same things that you wanted to have. Just a difference there is you have the difference to make the social icons bigger and this and that. So you have basically the same options here as well as you do inside here. But it's very important to mention that styling the social link block is not going to be styled in the same way in the header, right? Also, a question I get a lot personally from clients is it possible to have the social link blocks on different pages with different social media? And unfortunately, that is not possible. If you wanted to do that, what I would possibly then do is maybe code this manually with some HTML, or maybe even add an image, right, of these logos and link that image to that social media. If you need to have different, for example, let's say Instagram accounts on different pages, that is a way to overcome that. But other than that, the Squarespace social block is very simple to customize, and you have quite some options there on how you want to customize it. So this was a very quick video on how the social links on Squarespace works, also showing you how you can do that in your header. So if you found this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build a Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.